Let us continue with our lesson. And since we have a API endpoint as well as a service, so let's go and create a repository. So let's go to the repository and I will add a new Kotlin class and I will call this one as a edit tasks. Edit tasks are repository while repository. So that should create a new repository for us for edit tasks. And what we need is we need a network helper. If you go over here, network service we need. So what we will do is we'll create a constructor over here, and in the constructor we will pass the private val of our network service. Yeah, so we'll pass a network service, and let's create a suspend function to edit the tasks. So edit tasks, and when we create edit tasks we need to pass some parameter over here that each of our token, and this should be of a string data type, and also we need to pass the edit tasks request. So this is the one we will be sending to the server, and what we need is we need to response of what we have to response is response RESPON response of the edit tasks response. And what we have to do is we need to return response, and we say network service dot, it should be of edit tasks, and we pass the token, and we need to pass this one, so edit tasks request. Okay, so that should be fine, and let's remove this one and just give a equal to. That should fix it. Okay, so we are returning a network service that edit token, and we are passing the token and as well as the edit task token, which is of the request that we are sending. So this is the repository class that we will make use in our view model. So on the next step, what we need to do is, since we have a repository, and we will go and make use that in our view model. So we have an edit view model, and actually this view model should be in our view model area. So it should be to do. I think we should rename this to do to, I think we should refactor that one to, let's say, our tasks, because most of the thing we have created in the tasks. So let's rename that one to tasks, and let's move all of the view model over here, so it's easy for us to later find any of the view model that we need. So we just can come back to the view model package over here, and we have all of the view model inside this view model package. And I think for a main we don't have a view model currently. Yeah, I think we have moved all of our view model. So we have for a profile. Okay, so I think that should be okay for now, and so let's meet up in the next lecture and we'll continue with our lesson. And on the next lecture we'll go and work with our edit task view model. So let's meet up in the next lecture. Till then, have a great day.